Welcome to your Budget Boss, the channel where you take control of your finances and start building the life you deserve. Whether you're looking to save more, invest smartly, or just get your budget on track, you're in the right place. Let's get started and make money work for you. Unexpected expenses happen when you least expect them. Car repairs, medical bills, job loss. The best way to stay financially secure? An emergency fund. Today I'm going to show you how to build one in just 6 months. Let's get started. Step 1. Set a realistic savings goal. First, determine how much you really need. A good starting point is $1,000 to cover small emergencies, but ideally you want 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved. Calculate your total monthly expenses and set a target based on your needs. Step 2. Open a dedicated savings account. Keep your emergency fund separate from your everyday checking account. A high-yield savings account is a great option. It earns interest and keeps your money accessible, but not too easy to spend. Step 3. Automate your savings. Set it and forget it. Automate a portion of your paycheck to go directly into your emergency fund. Even $50, $100 per week adds up fast over time. Step 4. Cut unnecessary expenses. Find extra cash by cutting small expenses that don't add value to your life. Unused subscriptions, frequent dining out, or impulse purchases, redirect that money straight into savings. Step 5. Start a temporary side hustle. Want to save faster? Consider a temporary side hustle. Freelancing, gig work, or selling items you no longer need can boost your savings significantly. Step 6. Use windfalls wisely. Got a bonus, tax refund, or unexpected cash gift? Instead of spending it, put at least 50% into your emergency fund. It's a quick way to get closer to your goal. Step 7. Adjust your lifestyle temporarily. Cutting back just for 6 months can make a huge difference. Try cooking more at home, using public transport, or putting vacations on hold. Small sacrifices now lead to big financial security later. Step 8. Track your progress and stay motivated. Stay on track by keeping a visual savings tracker. Seeing your progress builds motivation and helps you stay disciplined. There you have it. If you stick to this plan, you'll have a solid emergency fund in just 6 months. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future financial tips. Let me know in the comments, how much are you saving for emergencies? See you in the next one. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this tip helpful and want to take control of your budget like a boss, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on smarter money moves. Remember, you're the boss of your budget. Let's make it work for you. See you in the next one.